Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as promised, this is going to be part 2 of my exercise routine. As we all know, we are all in social distancing and we are quarantined to our homes. Right here in Portland, Oregon, it's the same story. So I'm going to be using these cables. I'm going to link the brand and where I got them below, so you can check them out online. And yeah, this is the first time that I'm going to be using them. So let's start doing this together, okay guys? So let's just remember guys, you have to warm up at least 10-15 minutes, do some cardio. I'm gonna do jumping jacks, and just get the blood flowing before you start doing these exercises. Complete 1 to 3 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions each, okay? So depending on your endurance, depending 8, you can be doing more or less, whatever. The point is just to get moving and just yeah. So let's start. I'm just gonna be doing the first exercise, which is like a chest press. Good. Okay, so I did 12, and I think that kind of too light for me. So let me just change it to a more resistant. So this comes with this handle here, and then the band has like a something that you just open and just secure them. Make sure that they are chest high because that's the exercise that I'm gonna be doing. Yeah. Okay guys, this one is way more resistant than the other one. Okay. I'm gonna put one feet in front of the other to make it more comfortable. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. At the same time exercise. It's not the same as being at the gym, but you know what? At least it's something, okay? Let's do it again. 1, 2, 4, 5, 16. Yes! Good girl. One more, and then I'm gonna go heavier. It's so beautiful. My garden is full of flowers now. That make me so happy. Okay, one more time, and then we switch. 1, 2, 3. Let's get heavier now. I'm gonna switch the band, so I'm gonna put you on hold. What I'm gonna do is, to get more resistant, all you need to just use 2 bands instead of 1. Okay, let's put them. Yes. Okay, we're back. So this time I put the red one and the purple together. Yes. Yes, high. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Yes. I think that really helps. Okay, let's do it again. No time to shy. Time to work out, baby. 1, 2, 3. Do whatever you, yes, the maximum you can, baby. Keep going, don't let it go. Oh yes. I'm gonna put another band. I'll be right back. So I'm gonna add the green band. Let's see how tough this one is. 1, 2, 3. Oh yes. Yes. This one really good. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Oh. Yes. That was great. I'm going to check the brochure to see which exercise is next. Okay guys, so I'm going to be doing this exercise, which is the back fly next. And this is great when you travel, you know, and present that you don't have a gym to go, just take this with you. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm gonna do it one more time, and then I'm gonna add the red band. I'm gonna put it back. Don't forget to rest. 30 seconds down. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Okay. It's good to go, you know, at a good pace. I love using the cable machine. I think it gives me a low impact, and for me it works the best. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Yes. Yes. 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep going. 15, 16. Yes. Yeah. Ooh, another exercise. Ooh. I'm gonna feel this tomorrow. Yes. I'm still feeling the wheel when I was doing the abs today on Sunday. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Let me take a break. I'll be right back. Yes. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be doing a shoulder press. I'm gonna attempt to do it because I don't have something to hook up the band, so I'm only using the column by itself. But let's see how this works out. Okay. Just pushing everything up. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. It's working out. 7, 8, 9. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Have some water. Next exercise. I'll be right back. The wider, so I'm gonna be using. This is gonna be like for biceps. So the wider I put my feet, the more tension I'm gonna get. Camera back so you can see my upper body. So it's gonna be basically like this. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. Yes, girl. Come on. Yeah. Yes. Ooh. Yes. Oh. Okay. Good workout. This is really good. Go all the way. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Yes, Sasha. Yeah, baby. Next exercise. Yes. I'm gonna be crisscrossing because what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be doing like this, going apart. Okay. 9, 12. I have an audience. I'm Alan Sasha. Yeah, yes, Sasha. I'm doing exercise. Yes, mommy. Yes. 6, 7, 6, 7. Yeah. Yes. Oh. Yes, mamita. Yes, Sasha. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm gonna be doing triceps. So, you know the deal? It's just to keep the arm like this, the upper arm, and then just push like this because you want to the effect being here. Okay, so let's start. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15. Yeah. I'm gonna put another band because I can use more resistance. Okay, we're back. So I put the purple and the red together. That should give me enough resistance. Just, again, like I told you, so hold like this on 90 degrees and just go down. Ooh, yes. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, girl. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Yeah. Come on, girl. Oh. Again, you do as many sets as you want. I'm just gonna leave it at this. Okay, guys. So I decided to save the best for last. Guess what we're gonna be doing to end this beautiful workout? Yes, darling. The Wheel of Fortune, baby. We're gonna be doing the Wheel of Fortune right over there. I have my yoga mat, so I'm gonna have everything set up for you guys. And we're gonna get wheeling again. Yes. Let's see how this goes. Okay, guys. So here we are. Here we are with Sasha. I'm going Milo. So I'm about to start doing the Wheel of Fortune to end up this workout outdoors. Here we go, darling. No pain, no gain. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. It's much harder on concrete, darling. It's easier on the carpet with my knees. So I'm gonna do it one more time, guys. One more time, darling. Yes, Sasha, one more time. Because no pain, no gain. Okay, come on. Let's do it. Come on. Come on, Sasha, let's do it together. Come on. Come on, let's do it. Come on. 1. Come on, come on. 1. Okay, guys, that's it for me. I'll see you in the next one. Hachi, I'll see you in the next one too. Yes, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, activate the bell so I can notify you whenever I post new videos on my channel. Okay, guys, so for Milo, Sasha, and myself, love you, stay safe, see you in the next one. Ta-ta, bye, bye.